All right, here we go. Oh. Whoa. I already got sand in my shoes. I already got sand in my shoes.
I know, mine too.
I can feel it trickling down my ankle.
Yep. Oh, we just made it just in time because the tide was like, we were gotten like our feet soaked. You can tell this is recent right here. Just gonna watch out for the waves. See a big one, run for it. Yeah, about it, get it.
Oh. I want to take off my shoes, man.
Stop being a, keep walking.
Hold on. No, it just the sand looks so beautiful. I don't want to walk with my shoes on. I want to feel the sand between my toes.
Oh, you don't like those kind of things.
I don't either, but it just looks so beautiful out here, man.
So the mushroom house right there, you see it?
No.
Go ahead.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Where are we going?
Let's do it. Woo, look at me barefooted.
Rock right there. Just stand up.
You want me to stand on it?
Yeah.
Oh, Lord. Ugh.
Oh, come on.
How was that?
Perfect. Got it.
Ah! Here, your turn.
I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Nah, I got to do at least
Yeah.
one. Oh. All right, here we go. Oh, beautiful view. Hey, see if I got that palm tree behind you. That's what I try to get.
Oh, palm tree.
Yeah, see. Try to get it to that angle where it was like the palm tree was behind you.
Jesus, that's the weather. Oops, sorry.
Oh, I did.
Yeah.
Oh, that palm tree looked awesome.
Yeah, you too. We did. A little
really?
farther away, but like,
Yeah. Oh God, look at the sky.
yeah. See.
God, it's so beautiful.
You're walking over there. Is it waterfall or maybe waterfall?
Yeah, yeah. God, the sand is cold, but it feels so good though.
When the ladies walk by, they're walking like this towards the ocean.
Uh,
Come
oh,
on.
they act like they've never seen one before.
Yeah, well, still, man. Look at that. I feel like that rock up there is just like teetering, dude. It's about ready to fall down.
Yeah. Someone's gonna take like a family picture or a portrait and
It's gonna drop.
gonna drop. Wow, there's a waterfall here.
Well,
Little one.
little one. It's the one that me and hopefully there's no homeless dude in there freaking.
Yeah. So get out of my room. I'm changing. Like, whoa. Oh, am I gonna need shoes?
Huh? No, you don't need it.
All
I
right.
wouldn't use it.
Let's see if I can do it. Just gotta follow my.
It's a little bit of water, but you can walk that way if you want.
To my left.
Yeah.
All right.
It's not much,
Oh. Hold on, let me leave my shoes. Oh, like a little stream. Water flow. Thinking about climbing it or what?
No.
Haha.
I'll go this way, though. No, not even that. Let's go back the other way. Still
All
ready.
right. I like how there's bamboo out here. I wonder how they ended up out here.
Oh, they're everywhere. This is actually not, well, family of bamboo. This is reed, whatever. Just sit down on that rock right there.
Oh, Lord. All right.
Be like a little cove for it.
It's like a little one of those senior picture.
Looks like you just said a breaking wave, but it's made out of like reeds.
It's gonna make it look like I'm with my peoples in the Philippines. All right. Oh shit. Oh. Woo, look at that.
I feel good right here.
Not bad. Little water.
Yeah, I feel good.
Woo, splash. Look at surfer. Oh shit.
So there's a path right here. It can go up, and you go pass over like that.
Wow. That's crazy. So they climbed from where we were just at?
No, over here you can park up there and you can actually walk down.
Oh,
So
okay.
there's another path that goes out like that.
That's so awesome.
Have lunch over there.
Oh, yeah.